Okay, so we put some new seals on the slave cylinder last summer. We always have a problem trying to get the right size one. Always end up with an oversize. It's not releasing the clutch properly, so when you try and put full power on, it slips. So before we get back out on the road this summer, I want to get this fixed. So I've got a couple of old seals, and we're going to open this one up and pull out this new seal and see if we can fix it. So we've got a bucket to catch the fluid, and we'll just crack these ones first. And just wind them out evenly because the clutch pressure is on this. So that's loose enough. Now I'll undo the connection here. Okay, got a 8mm spanner for the nipple. And a 12mm spanner for the hose fitting. Just loosen those up. There's 2 copper washers. Alright, so there's 2 copper washers on there. And that should just slide off. Okay, so we need to get the piston and the seals out, which I think we'll use compressed air and just blow it into there and they should pop out. Okay, I've got a bucket to catch it with a nice soft landing. There you go. She's popped out. The seal, the spring, and the piston. And we'll give my wash off. So the piston has a bit of a rough edge to it. That might be helping it to stick. So I might polish that up. The new seal is definitely oversized. It's 30mm on the bigger end of the taper. It's tapered. So it's 30mm here and 28.5 here. But the bore of this is only 27.7. So it's a fairly tight fit. These are the old ones that are worn out, and they're all worn down to about 26mm. And even inside the bore here, we've got a bit of some marks and some scoring, so that might be causing it to stick a little bit as well. So I've got a homing tool. We'll put that in and we'll give it a bit of a hone out with the battery drill. And I guess we'll just have to order a new seal that's the right size, or wait for this one to wear down. Alright, so now we're just going to polish this up. Okay, that's polished up nice and smooth. Haven't really taken much metal off, so it hasn't changed the size really. And that's just so smooth inside there now, and that just slides in and out now. So hopefully that sorts it. So we'll put some silicone lube on it. And just coat that in all inside here. Just get all over that. New seal. So spring goes in first, in the cup. That's how it feels like it's sitting in the centre. And that goes in. Good. And this seal. I'll leave on here. Feels good.